Hi friends, I want to show you this CarlinKit that is a wireless USB adapter. This is the box. We want to open it. This is the CarlinKit. It's small and it is good looks and good quality. These have two options to connect. This is a USB and this is a Type-C, and comes with the manual. We're gonna use the Type-C. And we wanna connect right here. As you can see, it's easy to use, easy to put. Right here in the USB. Ready. As you can see, it's turning on. The letters are on in a red color. So we wanna use our iPhone to looking for the CarlinKit. It's right here, as you can see. So we're gonna connect that. It's reading the USB, as you can see. CarPlay is activated. Use CarPlay. I'm ready. CarPlay is connected. It's so easy, and we can use our CarPlay in the car. We can use maps, music, make some calls. It's excellent for drive safety and easy to use. I highly recommend this CarlinKit. See you!